What's up, YouTube? It's Christine with gaugegirltraining, an online meal planning and coaching service. I'm a food scientist and chemical engineer. In today's video, we are going to talk about signs of progress outside of the scale. So let's get started. So when I'm working with my one-on-one online coaching clients, sometimes people get upset during their check-in when they see that they didn't lose a whole lot on the scale on a given week. And I want to address that in today's video and talk about some other signs that indicate that you are actually making progress that have absolutely nothing to do with the scale. I also like to call these things non-scale victories. So the first one is you have a new mindset. Yes, this is the foundation of all health and fitness and progress that you will be making from here forward. And having a new mindset about food, about life, about just the way you go about things is huge. So even if you're not seeing changes right away or seeing changes as drastically as you wish, but you're feeling better, you're thinking better, you're like not as stressed, you have less mental pressure and burden on your body and physique, that is a huge sign of progress in my book. Number 2, you have more energy, and being physically and mentally exhausted is a sign of poor nutrition, and it is a sign of lack of exercise as well. So once you start moving, a lot of people think that they're too tired to work out, but once they work out, they actually have more energy. So having more energy for life, not feeling so tired and exhausted all the time, is a huge sign of progress, and I don't want you guys to undervalue that because it's not small. Item number 3 is your clothes fit better. You will see changes in your inches and the way clothes fit so much more. If you look at this recent picture of one of my clients who just posted this in our Facebook group, she was showing how this dress fit. In the before photo, you can see that the zipper couldn't come all the way up, and now it can after only 4 weeks on our paleo shred. And she actually didn't do the whole 6 weeks. She only stayed in the first 4 weeks because she's trying to conceive and didn't want to go that low. But that being said, you guys, zippers don't lie, clothes don't lie. If your clothes are fitting better, that means you are making awesome progress. So be proud of yourself because those things are happening. Number 4 is you are less stressed. When you are treating your body better, when you are getting regular exercise, having a healthy outlet like regular exercise, having consistent healthy eating habits, it will lower your stress levels. It will better help your body manage cortisol hormone. So do not undervalue the value of being less stressed. Number 5, your digestion has improved. If you are just eating all kinds of things without any boundaries, your stomach and your gut health can be a wreck, especially for those of you who are very busy and you only base your food choices on convenience or just your mood. So you may find that with the appropriate intake of fiber, reduced processed foods, as well as less inflammatory foods, that you will be experiencing improved overall digestion as well as regular bowel movements. Number 6, your cycle is regular. This is so big. Excess obesity, it can lead to heavy periods. It can lead to irregular periods. And it's not ideal to miss your period due to eating as well, and low fat intake that can make you miss it on the other extreme. Regular cycles are a sign of good health. So if you are starting to get your period more regularly now that you are improving your food intake and getting enough of the correct macros, that is a great sign. Item number 7, improved sleep. So exercise and healthy eating are known to boost deep, restful sleep. I'm talking about the type of sleep where it's your REM sleep, rapid eye movement, where you are in a deep state, where as opposed to that state where you can be easily woken up. So make sure that you are allowing yourself enough time to get this deep, restful sleep, but you will find that the quality of your sleep will improve once you start improving how you treat yourself. Number 8, you are stronger. You do not need a scale to tell you that you're a badass in the gym. If you know that you're lifting heavier and it feels good and you're feeling that burn and it just feels awesome, that's great. Good job. Congratulations. It's awesome to feel very strong. And last but not least, 9 is you feel leaner. You feel leaner. And improved nutrition will have you feeling tighter and leaner regardless of what the scale says. And so many of you guys, when we do our check-in calls, you're like, Christine, I just feel leaner this week. I just feel tighter. My body feels different. And only you know what that means for you. So if you want some help with somebody to help you navigate fat loss, to keep your enthusiasm high, to help you navigate it week after week after week throughout your journey, online coaching would be a great option for you. Custom meal plans are a great alternative if you just want a guide you can follow on your own, built to your specific goals. Or if you want a budget-friendly alternative of something that you can just follow on your own and you want to jumpstart, our 6-week shred is great for that. So comment below a recent non-scale victory of yours. Thanks for watching, guys. Give the video a thumbs up.